What's up guys, welcome to another video, and to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis and today I will test this headset for gaming. I got this headset in test, so if you're gonna like it, make sure to check all of the links in the description below if you want to buy it. So this is the small user guide in English, and now let's see the headset. And there is some additional cable, which I will talk about later. Design, as you can see, it's made for gamers. It have LED lights on a side and one LED light in the microphone, which I will show you in few seconds. Build quality of this headset feels really nice. It also includes soft foam for around the ears and the soft foam for the upper head. Upper head. As this headset is pretty light, it is comfortable to wear it for a longer period of time.
One eternity later.
And I still feel pretty comfortable. Sound is clear and remove a lot of ambient noise that is around you, so you can use it anywhere without getting distracted. Now let's see how the microphone sounds. This is the test of microphone, and this is supposed to be how others will hear you in games. Comment down below how do you like the sound of this microphone. And by the way, you can move it around however and whatever you want. We heard the microphone, now let's hear the headphones itself. It's great, I like it. And they're pretty loud. I'm not sure how loud I am, but listen. We heard the microphone and we heard the headphones itself. If we continue, the cable is coated with fabric that protects it from destroying. Plus, we have complete control over the headphones and microphone with this small controller. We can control the volume of headphones and we have mute switch for our microphone. And at the end, we can see USB and two 3.5mm jacks. One is for headphones and the second one is for microphone. I use those two jacks in combination with this add-on, which you put inside red to red, green to green, and directly to your PC. Just because in Windows I have to set on the headset and it goes everything from one port. And don't forget, you can use this headset on any console that supports headphones and microphone. And as big bonus is this really long cable. I think it's stated for 2.2 meters. Wow! So if you're a gamer, if you're a streamer, if you just want to use headset for your gaming, don't forget to check the links in the description below and you can buy it if you want. That's it for today guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, like and share this video if you enjoyed, and until the next time, stay in love. Peace!